Hey guys, today we're making these delicious waffles. These are super delicious and are quick and easy to make and are perfect for a Sunday breakfast. They're amazing and just super delicious. As always, don't forget to follow us on Instagram and the recipe will be in the description box below. Okay, so we're going to start off by separating our eggs into two bowls. And do this with both your eggs. Once your eggs are separated, then you can set the egg yolks to the side. And to your egg whites, you're going to add in a pinch of bicarb. And then you want to beat this on high speed until it reaches stiff peaks. It should become nice and fluffy like this. Once you've reached that stage, then you can set your egg whites to the side. And to your egg yolks, you're going to add in your sugar. And then with the same whisks, you're going to beat this until it's nice and light and fluffy. It should become very pale, like this. And once you're done, then you can add in your milk. And your oil. And then you're just going to mix this until all combined. Once it's done mixing, then you can add in your flour, your baking powder, and a good splash of vanilla, and lastly a pinch of salt, and then you're going to mix this all together. You should get a nice smooth batter. Once it's nice and smooth and there are no lumps, then you can stop mixing. And then you're going to add in all of your egg whites into your bowl. Once it's all in your bowl, then you're going to gently fold this all together. And make sure you do it gently as you don't want much air to come out. And once it's mixed in, then you can set that to the side. And then you're going to take your waffle maker and heat it up. And don't forget to grease it well with some non-stick spray. And then you can scoop your batter into your waffle machine. Now do not overfill your machine, and you can spread it out a bit. And once they're done, then you can take them out Be sure not to burn yourself here. And then decorate however you wish. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make these delicious waffles, and they're just amazing. They are perfect breakfast for any time, and they're just amazing. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a giant thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos every Sunday. I'll see you in my next video.